Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign into your Dropbox account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. From the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Dropbox. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Click on this, go to dropbox.com. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner. Go to login. And then sign into the account using your email. Continue. As well as your password. Continue. Log in. This should now sign you into your account for Dropbox that was created in the previous tutorial. So we can now see that we have signed into the account and are then able to start using the application, whether it's a desktop application or web-based for Dropbox. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.